This is the GT01A 40 litre domestic grease trap by JFC. This is the upgraded model to the original GT01. It's made up of 5 components. The first 3 components come as standard with the unit. You have the main body, the bucket and the maintenance plugs. Optional extras include a 330mm riser with a cast iron lid. These are used where the excavation is typically deeper than normal. The function of the grease trap is to retain fats, oils and grease from entering the drainage network, contaminating your septic tank and soakaway. As contaminated waters enter the 4-inch pipe, they pass in through the unit. The waters are typically lukewarm, and through a process of passive separation, fats and oil separate and settle on the top body of water. Sinkable solids then go to the bottom where they are retained in the bucket. The settled water, which has less contaminations, passes through perforations in the bucket, down through the side wall and up through the swan neck, where it passes downstream to the rest of the network. During maintenance, the lid can be popped with a flathead screwdriver, where it can be levered open and removed by hand. To maintain the unit, the maintenance plug needs to be released. There is a handle on top of the unit which needs to be pulled, and therefore you can remove the maintenance plug. Any blockages then can be accessed by hand or by a 4-inch brush, where you can clean any blockages. It's also recommended prior to emptying the unit that you use a device like a soup ladle to empty the waters out into a separate bucket until they are below the perforations in the bucket. You can then remove the bucket from the unit and dispose of the contaminants. To put the unit back, you reposition the bucket and the plugs, and you would prime the unit again with clear waters. The key difference between the GT01 and the GT01A is the maintenance plug. This plug can be removed, and any contaminants or blockages can be easily accessed and removed. The GT01 does not have this additional benefit. All the optional extras fit both units. They are both 40 litres and both are connected with your standard 4-inch sewer pipe. For more information on our product range, please go to jfccivils.com or contact our sales team.